Welcome to a brief overview of the Sage Intacct quote-to-cash process. I'm about to show you how you can move from quote to fulfillment to billing and accounts receivable without rekeying any information. Because this is a multi-entity organization, the first thing I want to do is select the appropriate entity. The order entry overview helps me easily follow a specific business process. I can create one or more workflows. For example, I might have one workflow for wholesale orders and another for retail orders. I can also choose where to start, in a quote, sales order, or sales invoice, depending on the needs of the customer. In this case, let's start with a quote. Quotes can be created in your existing CRM, such as Salesforce, and automatically imported into Sage Intacct. They can also be created directly within Sage Intacct, as I'm doing here. Select a customer, choose the payment terms negotiated with the customer, and include the shipping method. In less than 1 minute, I can enter the entire order, including payment terms, shipping information, product and fulfillment information, and additional attachments, such as email correspondence. Notice that location information is added automatically, based on the entity I'm in. I can use this information later in financial reports. With the quote accepted, I move to the next step in our business process and create a sales order. Simply go to the sales quote on the list and convert it. After I double-check the sales order and make any necessary changes, I simply save the new sales order. With that simple click, I've created an order that is now posted and ready for processing. Now I can send the order on to shipping by creating a fulfillment document. All the warehouse information is automatically entered, and with the right permissions, I can still make edits. When I'm happy with the fulfillment information, I click Post. Lastly, I want to convert the fulfillment document to a sales invoice to send to the customer. All the information for the fulfillment order is carried over to the invoice. I can make any edits and click Post. At this point, the information posts to accounts receivable and the general ledger according to the posting information I set in the items and sales invoice configuration. I can print and send the invoice through the mail or send it by email. By not re-entering any information, I save time and prevent mistakes. After a few weeks, when I receive payment for the invoice, I just click Pay next to the invoice. I record the payment check or credit card information and amounts, click Save, and have now completed the quote-to-cash process in a few easy steps and mere minutes. To see how Sage Intacct can improve your quote-to-cash process, schedule a live demo today.